Okay, Monday, March 9th. 4 months and 6 days, and we are done with the project. Let me start back out in the hallway and walk in and give you a tour. All right, so those who've been following the videos, this is all, there's just a little bit of changes here. So you can see we got all tile flooring. You know, the walls were all skim coated flat. You know, there used to be textured walls. I should probably close that door for better showing, right? But yeah, we got all new doors. Let me just put the zoom out to 0.6. I've already started decorating. We're gonna move in tomorrow. And this is the kitchen. This was a marathon last night to get this fixture installed. Then, you know, we have a food disposal down here. And we still have a slight leak. The guy's gonna come back. I think one of the gaskets or the O-rings inside are not quite set right. It's like after running the dishwasher and running the sink for like 20 minutes, you get like a drop. But still, that's, yeah, there's bugs. We're in the debugging phase. We're ready to release, we'll move in tomorrow, but, you know, that's not we can squash that bug pretty quick. The smoke detector, I just got to take this red thing off. We'll probably do that tomorrow to make it live. This is the bathroom, you know, banjo countertop, and bed is already assembled, you know, ready, move in the mattresses and everything. Got the washer here, and we're going to do line drying like in Europe. So yeah, here we are. Yeah, master bedroom, baby strollers there. Just moving on. Got doors. Last time we had sliding closets. And we got a water heater that hooks up to the internet. I got bad news yesterday that our internet wires are all old. It's going to have to be rewired. You know, so I don't know, it'll take 2 weeks for them to rewire outside. It's outside. The outside main wire is old or something, so we don't have to pay for this. The Cox cable will do all of this. And yeah, so now, just got to fix a minor leak and then get this internet issue resolved. You can see we got blue azure granite. I bought this at Trinco. You know, I'll probably make some videos about the experience, like I say, step by step, and talk about Home Depot versus Lowe's. I can say, stick with Home Depot. You know, I try to go to Lowe's and everything, but their staff isn't that trained to help and advise. Home Depot is better at giving advice, I can say that. And then you got to know your local hardware stores, like your Beach Hardware and Neighborhood Hardware, in case you need a bunch of small things. There's a lot of small things that come up. So yeah, this is it. One thing I have more clarity on now is the millwork phase of the project. You know, doors and windows, and doors and shelves, and, you know, this kind of windows are also considered part of millwork. You know, getting that done. I didn't really have my hands on that when I did the apartment in Ukraine. That was just all subbed out. I was more hands-on this time, but yeah, that is something that needs to be calculated. But yeah, we are done. We got like I said, we are ready to move in. Tomorrow we will start the moving process. Anyway, thank you. Yeah, we got a new sofa. It'll still have it under wraps. But anyway, yeah, thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.